जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, आई एम गौरव and you are watching my YouTube channel Knowledge तो बनती है. In this video, I am going to tell you about some general science questions which are generally asked in many competitive exams and repeats again and again. So let's start without any delay. First question is 0 degree centigrade is equal to how many degree Fahrenheit? 100 degree Fahrenheit, 30 degree Fahrenheit, 14 degree Fahrenheit or 32 degree Fahrenheit. So the right answer will be option D, 32 degree Fahrenheit, because generally we know that 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 273 Kelvin. So the right answer will be option D, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Next question is what is the physical state of water at 12 degrees Celsius? Gas, solid, liquid or ionic? So the right answer will be liquid. Next question is the freezing point of water is 40 degree Fahrenheit, 42 degree Fahrenheit, 34 degree Fahrenheit or 32 degree Fahrenheit. So generally we know that 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit, and we know also that the freezing point of water in Celsius is 0 degree. So the answer of this question will be 32 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit. So the right option is option D, 32 degree Fahrenheit. The next question is absolute zero represents temperature minus 273 degree Celsius, minus 295 degree Celsius, minus 300 degree Celsius or minus 255 degree Celsius. So the right answer of this question will be minus 273 degree Celsius, means option A is the right answer. Next question is approximately at what temperature is the density of water is maximum? 0 degree Celsius, 4 degree Celsius, 39 degree Celsius or 100 degree Celsius. So the maximum density of water is 4 degree Celsius. Next question is what is the standard temperature of the Kelvin scale? 98 Kelvin, 198 Kelvin, 237 Kelvin or 373 Kelvin. Here there is no option of this question because the standard temperature of the Kelvin is 273 Kelvin. Next question is centigrade, which is the unit of measurement of temperature, is named on which of the following? Kelvin, Jeans Pierre Christine, Martin Stromer or Anderson Celsius. So the right answer of this question is option D, Ander Celsius. Next question is at what temperature will the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale show the same reading? 100 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius, minus 40 degree Celsius or 40 degree Celsius. So the right answer of this question will be minus 40 degree Celsius, because at minus 40 degree Celsius temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit scale shows the same reading. Next question is to change the temperature on the Kelvin scale to Celsius, which of the following would you have to do? Multiply the given temperature by 273, add 273 to the given temperature. Option C, divide the given temperature by 273, or option D, subtract 273 from the given temperature. So the right answer of this question will be option B, add 273 to the given temperature. Next question is what is the value of the temperature which is normally considered in the human body? 95 degree Fahrenheit, 97 degree Fahrenheit, option C 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or option D 96.8 degree Fahrenheit. So the right answer of this question will be option C 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Next question is, which of the following is not a unit of temperature? Fahrenheit, Pascal, Celsius or Kelvin? So the right answer of this question will Pascal, because Pascal is the unit of pressure and remains all these Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin are the unit of temperature. Next question is, what is the relation between Celsius and Kelvin temperature? 37 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. 98.6 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin, or 0 Kelvin is equal to 273 degree Kelvin. So the right answer of this question will be 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin, means option B. Next question is, woolen clothes keep the body warm in winter because wool is a bad conductor of heat, wool is a good conductor of heat, wool is raises the body temperature, wool removes the body temperature. So the right answer of this question will wool is a bad conductor of heat. Next question is, which of the following options is a bad conductor of heat? Wood, water, mica or diamond? So the right answer of this question will wood. Next question is, which of the following is not a good conductor of electricity? Porcelain, aluminium, tungsten or nickel? So the right answer of this question will porcelain, because in porcelain the electricity cannot be flow. Next question is, which of the following is a good conductor of electric charge? Option A glass, option B paper, option C copper, option D water. So the right answer of this question will be option C copper, because in copper the electricity can be flow easily. Next question is, find the similarity among the following: silver, copper, gold, aluminium. First option is, all these are good insulator. Second option is, it is all precious metal. Third option is, all these are good conductor. Or option D, there is no similarity. So the right answer of this question will option C, all these are good conductors, because these all are metals. Next question is, what is the color of the inside of the solar cooker? Option A white, option B blue, option C black, option D brown. So the right answer of this question will option C black, because black color is good absorber of heat. Next question is, what is the temperature called when a solid object melts at atmospheric pressure and becomes a liquid? Option A is melting point, option B is latent heat, option C is boiling point, or option D latent heat of fusion. So the right answer of this question is option A, melting point. Next question is, what will be the boiling point of water on the Kelvin scale? 100 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin, 373 Kelvin or 300 Kelvin. So the right answer of this question will option C, 373 Kelvin, because we know that 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin and the boiling point in Celsius is 100 degree Celsius. So we have to add in 273 plus 100. So the right answer will 370 degree Kelvin. So the right answer of this question will option C, 373 Kelvin. Next question is, what is the entropy of the universe? Option A minimum, option B nil, option C average or option D maximum. So the right answer of this question will option D maximum, because the entropy of the universe is maximum. Next question is, by which law of thermodynamics do we know the law of conservation of energy? Option A is zeroth law, option B is first law, option C is second law, option D is third law. So the right answer of this question will option B, first law, which known as conservation law of energy. Next question is, what is the condensation? Converting heat energy into cold energy. Option B is change of vapor into liquid. or option C, change of solid, or option D, change of gas to liquid. So the right answer of this question will option D, change of gas to liquid. So how did you like this video? Do tell in the comment. For watching more videos, please subscribe channel, share and like the videos. Very thank you. Jai Hind.